what I would do when I am just starting out with a product, I don't have the product ready yet, so I can't get professional images done, come to Fiverr and search for 3D render. There you go, 3D render. And find somebody to do a 3D render of your product for you. So that's an example of a 3D render. So is that. That's a 3D render. Let's go and take a look at that. So that isn't a real product. That's a graphic artist that's just created that product out of thin air for you. So get a 3D render done. And then you can get your listing live and everything's up, and you only need one image to get live. Actually, you don't need any images to go live on Amazon, but it's good to have one at least. And then as soon as your product is ready, get your supplier to send you one of them, give it to a professional photographer, and get some professional photographs done. The company in Australia that we like is snapper.co. They will do your photographs for you. It's like $80 to go and get some really very high quality, professionally shot images done. So then you've got your main hero image done, and then for the rest of your images, give them to a good graphic designer who will then take your professionally done images and turn them into good lifestyle images. Like these are stuff that we've had done, fidget spinners, etc., etc., watches, and this is just all a graphic designer. So the graphic designer created those images for us. Dead easy. So that's how you do that. That's the best way, Rich, of doing that. So start with 3D render. As soon as you get your product done, get your product to a photographer, get an image done. As soon as you got your images done, give them to a graphic artist. They'll turn them into images like those, and then you've got all your images for Amazon done. That's the easiest way of doing it. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.